By 1867, $241,918 worth of gold was found in the Pikes Peak area. That is around $3,701,705 in today's money. My name is John Hamilton Gregory. I was born in 1820 to a mining family in Georgia. I was raised constantly moving mine to mine, my father teaching me techniques. Later in my life, I started mining. On my way to Canada, I ran out of money. While I was on that part of my journey, I was near the Pikes Peak area. There are rumors of gold in the area, so I decided to stop and mine. The day I got to the area, I started searching for source gold. Miners were finding small deposits of placer gold, but no one had found the source. Several trips had false leads. I found small deposits of placer gold, but no source. I searched over and over around and in the streams. Even with help, I didn't find it. Then came the day. It was midwinter and very few miners were in the area. Following a clear stream up, I reached a gully. After digging in it, I found it, the source. With very few miners in the area, I had time to dig it all up. Within 3 days, I made over $1,000. The news spread quickly. I feared of being robbed, so I went into hiding for about a year. After hiding for a while, I was running out of money, so I decided to stay hidden and partner mine. I co-owned a mine making steady income. When the Civil War broke out, my reputation became bad. No one wanted to deal with me. Because of my reputation, no one wanted to deal with me, so I was no longer able to mine, and I moved back to Georgia.